You find yourself constantly reaching for your phone, doom scrolling for hours, and somehow still feeling tired. Yeah, we're fixing that. Today, I'm sharing 30 hobbies that will uplift your mood. We're splitting this into 3 categories: solitary, social, and intellectual. I'll also include the estimated cost for each activity because hobbies shouldn't break your bank account. And somewhere in this video, I'm giving you 2 practical tips to actually reduce your screen time. So stick around. Check the description box for the timestamps. Category 1: Solitary hobbies. This includes crafting and other hobbies you can do alone. Number 1: Reading. I'm currently reading Pride and Prejudice and mentally time traveling to the 1800s. Reading is amazing because it slows your brain down and you focus on moving from one page to the next. Here's a list of genres you can explore depending on what you like. Also check out the video linked at the top for my self-help book recommendations. Number 2: Photography. You do not need a fancy camera. You can use your existing phone or old phone. Document small moments: sunlight on your desk, your coffee, your messy notes. If you can't afford a digicam, you can use an app called Buttercam. There are many camera styles to choose from and it's pretty cute. Number 3: Listening to music. Create playlists on Spotify for studying, working out, or whatever songs you're vibing with. Let's be real, music regulates emotions better than most people. Number 4: Origami. It's literally paper therapy. You can use patterned origami paper to make it more fun. Here's a beginner-friendly list you can try, or just make anything you like. Number 5: Pottery. There's something so grounding about working with clay. Slightly humbling if your vase or vase becomes a potato. Number 6: Journaling. Also one of my favorites. Use old papers, stickers, or strings to create themed spread. Vintage, K-pop, Chinese. I journal a lot and every spread is so different. Number 7: Cooking. Start simple: soup, noodles, or fried eggs. I prefer a gas stove over an electric stove because it's easier for me to feel the heat and actually see the fire. Am I making sense right now? I made sundubu jjigae and it tasted so good. If you're enjoying the video so far, consider subscribing or giving a thumbs up. Number 8: Baking. Baking will humble you. Measuring matters, precision matters. It's character development in flour form. Number 9: Painting. Follow a guide or freestyle it. When I was younger, I used to follow painting guides. It's therapeutic, especially for people who don't think they are artistic. Number 10: Crochet. No, it's not only for grandmas. You can try it too. I mean, just look at how cute the end products are. And for beginners, try mini scrunchies or tiny flowers. Number 11: Lucky stars. If origami feels difficult for you, folding lucky stars is much easier to pick up. I repeated the same process for an hour and it's so fulfilling when you fill up the entire jar. This can also be a mini gift for your friend's birthday, graduations, or anything. Number 12: Gardening. I used to think gardening was for retired uncles and aunties until I tried it. It's basically meditation with dirt. Low maintenance plants are your best friend if you're extremely busy. Number 13: Cozy gaming. Yeah, it's screen time, but cozy games relax your brain instead of frying it. Number 14: Content creation, which is exactly what I'm doing now. Scripting, filming, editing. You don't need fancy equipment, just enjoy the whole process. Number 15: Sketching, doodling, or drawing. You can draw from a reference picture, and if you're really bad at drawing facial features, such as myself, go for faceless art. I think most of them are from like C-dramas and K-dramas because I really like the male and female lead. Yes, I'm still bad at drawing, but we're trying, right? We're trying. Number 16: Connecting with nature. Stargazing is guaranteed to be therapeutic if you live on the outskirts and have a clear sky. However, if you live in the city, try catching sunsets or sunrises. I mean, they're just so relaxing. So if you come back from school or work, just look out of the window for once on your ride home. Category 2: Social hobbies, for when you need human interactions. Number 17: Picnic. A picnic by the beach is such a cute idea. Mine was blue themed. If you don't want to prepare a lot of food, you can just buy some from a convenience store and chill by the beach. Number 18: Board games. No screens involved. You can play games like Monopoly or simple card games. Number 19, photo booth sessions. Photo booth sessions are fun, but the machine snaps faster than my sister snaps at me. I mean, it's so fast, man, like crazy. Be quick and remember memories over perfection, so it's okay to screw up. Number 20, cafe hopping. Yes, yapping sessions for the girlies. You don't have to pick the most expensive cafes. I usually look up cafes on Rednote. And yeah, you get cute architecture and aesthetic drinks. Number 21, thrifting. Before you judge secondhand clothing, some pieces are absolute gems. Like, look at this. It doesn't look thrifted, but it is. And you can check out these places if you are in KL or Selangor. Number 22, karaoke. Sing like you're auditioning for absolutely nothing. It's therapeutic. Loud therapy. Number 23, road trips. Travel out of state with your friends, chill, and have a karaoke session on the way. I mean, that's the whole point of a road trip, right? You jam together in the car. And now if you're thinking, but I'll still end up scrolling. Here are 2 tricks I personally use. If you are an iPhone user, you can use grayscale. It makes your phone less attractive and reduces your urge to reach for it. The second method is to set a time limit for each activity. Now be aware of your screen time and receive notifications once your time is up. You will be more cautious on how much time you spend on your phone. Category 3, intellectual hobbies. For when you want dopamine and brain cells. Number 24, learn a new language. I once attempted Korean. My progress wasn't the best, but I'm able to read and hold very simple conversations. And you can too. Learning a language expands your brain in ways scrolling never will. So yeah, pick up a language. Number 25, learn coding. You can learn Python, C++ or Java depending on what you like. Build mini games, understand the logic. You will feel powerful typing random symbols that actually mean something. One missing comma can destroy your entire program, and suddenly punctuation feels so powerful. Number 26, learn data analytics. Excel, dashboards, budget sheets. You can use Excel, Google Sheets, or Power BI. It's also really helpful if you want to enter this field. Number 27, learn an instrument. For starters, you can try the ukulele. It's easy to pick up. And here's a list of instruments depending on what you like. I like violin, but I gave up halfway, so Number 28, puzzles. Jigsaw puzzles, logic puzzles. Building something from scratch trains patience. Number 29, watching documentaries. Pick your genre, be it crime, psychology, or culture. I love deep dives into how people think. Rather than just reading the news, documentaries tell stories from different angles. Number 30, a game of chess. You can learn international chess or Chinese chess. I learned Chinese chess last year. It's really stimulating. It's an intellectual hobby for a reason, and you sit there calmly plotting someone's downfall. Haha. And that's it for this video. I hope this inspires you to pick up a hobby. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.